So the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL, you've probably seen everything and heard everything about it, but I still want to talk about it. So the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL will be released in October, and this is what we know so far and seen so far, which is quite a lot. Honestly, I think this is one of the most leaked devices ever. Yeah, anyway, we've seen unboxings, we've seen camera samples, we've seen pictures, we've seen renders and everything like that. So there isn't much left to talk about with the Google Pixel 3 XL. So this is more of an opinion piece and still giving you some basic specs and whatnot that we will see on the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Now to start off, there are some differences when it comes to the design. Including for the Google Pixel 3 we have this crazy big ass notch, which no one really likes, and I'm not sure what Google was thinking here. The problem of course with it is not only a notch, but it's also one of the largest notches out there. It's very deep coming down to the display. And I get it, they have that dual front facing speaker, but why make the notch if it looks that bad? You could have just made it like, you know, Samsung does. Have the same bottom and top bezel and then you're good to go. You can keep the dual speakers, you can keep the cameras there and everything like that. And they actually have done that for the Google Pixel 3. So I'm not sure what they were thinking when they designed this one. There is another difference when we look at the back as well. Now normally we have the metal with glass, however this one has frosted glass and normal glass. This allows for wireless charging, but still keeping the two-tone color, which is something that I actually really like on the Google Pixel series. Apart from that, we don't expect many changes when it comes to the design itself, and we basically seen everything. There is no headphone jack, which I'm really annoyed about. We expect a great camera on the back because, well, they have done that with the Google Pixel 2, which is still claimed to be one of the best out there. Yes, the Huawei P20 Pro and so on have more points on the XL mark, but honestly I really don't pay attention to that because a lot of that is not talking about preference and a lot goes about features as well. Anyway, the Google Pixel 3 XL and 3 are both coming out in October. We expect it to have the Snapdragon 845, 4 to 6 GB of RAM, and we expect an increase in battery as well. Well, especially for the Google Pixel 3 XL, because that will have a 6.7 inch screen, which is crazy because that is getting close to tablet size. I remember those days when we had that meme where we had this Samsung tablet that was used as a phone. However, with a 6.7 inch screen you're getting close to that meme because that had a 7 inch screen. Yes, you have more bezel on it, but still, it is really large, and I don't get why Google go that large. It's too much. Too much. 6.4, 6.5, I think that is where you should stop. It's just getting crazy, going more and more and more. Yes, you get less bezels on phones these days, but still 6.7 inch screen. How on earth are you going to reach that top corner? I'm not going to be able to. Well, two-handed use of course, but still, I don't get why you would want a 6.7 inch screen. Honestly, if I would get one, I would get the Google Pixel 3, which looks slightly better and you still get the same hardware and you don't get that notch and you don't get that huge display. Apart from that though, honestly, I'm not really interested in the Google Pixel 3 series. However, there are some interesting news covered by John Prosser and so on, talking about a third device, a possible third device. It won't be released at the same time as the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL. However, this third device is targeted for a budget or mid-range price and probably made by Xiaomi, which is quite interesting. I think Xiaomi does well with the most bang for its buck, so I'm interested to see what they can actually make out of it. Anyway, what do you think about the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL? Really, there isn't much left to cover because we've seen everything from it and we heard everything from it. Either way, let me know in the comments below what you think about having a 6.7 inch screen, which is really too crazy for me. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and of course leave a comment below. And if you love my work, don't forget to subscribe, and talk to you guys in the next one.